Hello, guys. Welcome to We Fix Technology. I hope everybody's doing good. Today, we will be learning how we can go ahead and create a Paytm Payment Gateway within our Bagisto application. As you can see, this is the dashboard. This is a brand new setup of the Bagisto. In last video, I taught you how to set up Razorpay, this time Paytm, and I'll be creating more videos how to set up more payment gateways. So let's go ahead and make it happen. So you're gonna have to come to the internet and type, let's say, Paytm Gateway Bagisto Wanty. There's a guy called Wanty or something. He has that option. Let me see. Yeah, there we have it. So if you go to the official website, you're gonna find there's a cost around $25. But if you make a Google search, I found this guy, Wonton 18. Thumbs up to this guy. This guy has created the solution for the Paytm. This is available on GitHub. I'm going to put the link directly into the video's description. So we're going to have to run a composer command. Let's go ahead and let me stop the server. Run this command. Composer require want on Paytm. It'll take some time. There are three steps only. First, inject the package. Step number two, go to the config app, then add this service provider for Paytm. I'm going to come here, config app, and here you're going to find the providers right here. And below, I'm going to put this new class called Paytm service provider, right? In the next step, you can go ahead and check the details. It should be there. And you have to pass an you have to go to the CSRF token and pass and expect right here. Let me see. Then you're gonna go to the app HTTP middlewares, then this verify CSRF, and right here, just put this code and it should work. That's pretty much it, guys. This is very simple and easy job. And run this command, php artisan config cache. So the package is still taking time. Sometime it does take time. Ignore that. I'm working on the local infrastructure. I'm gonna fast forward the video. Once it get installed, we will wrap it up. Okay, perfect. The package has been injected. So we're gonna run this command php artisan config cache and the job is done. Let me run the server php artisan serve. Let's see if we find those details. Now this is the dashboard in Bagisto. Now if you go to configure and payment options somewhere, payment methods. Earlier we did not had Paytm before. Now let's see if I can find out cash on delivery, money transfer, PayPal, Razorpay, and the new one has been added, Paytm. So guys, all you're supposed to do, put your merchant ID and merchant key and website status, tagging or live, and the job is done. That's pretty much it. I hope you did learn something today. And if I gave you any value, please consider subscribing. And I'm going to keep making more videos on Bagisto or maybe more technologies. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Cheers. Bye for now.